Welcome to Geneva, home of Frederique Constant. Founded in 1988, this brand is built on timeless values of precision, elegance, and accessibility. Today, we take you inside their manufacture, where tradition meets innovation. Join us as we explore the meticulous handcraft and finishing behind every timepiece, and sit down with the master watchmaker to dive into the heart of their in-house calibers.
Our calibers are quite modular, so we have a good base like a 900 series or a 700 series, 900 being the manufacturer heartbeat, 700 really being our base movement, which we use for the world timer, chronograph, perpetual calendar. So that way we can actually switch quite easily between complications. Of course you have to make the module, but it's always easier to just make the module than remake a whole movement. So we have a strong base, and on that base we can vary a bit in terms of complications.
Frederique Constant's commitment to developing in-house calibers has resulted in over 30 manufactured calibers, including high complications such as the tourbillon, the perpetual calendar, and the flyback chronograph.
I think especially with the QP tourbillon or just all of our complications, we like to simplify type of complications. So the world timer, we don't have to push a button to change the city disc, or as well the QP. Of course we have springs in there. But there's only one spring, for example, for a lever, which we have to adjust a bit. And if not, it's kind of plug and play. And that makes it more reliable as well, because you don't need that many parts, and less parts means less parts that can break as well. So
Frederique Constant's approach to movement design emphasizes accuracy, reliability, and versatility. But their watchmakers are also masters of high horology finishing techniques, as seen on their limited edition classic tourbillon in full platinum with a meteorite dial, which showcases the manufacturer's ability to produce hand-finished, high horology masterpieces.
it actually all started with Romain and me. We want to do something else because we've been working on the tourbillon, me 5 years, Romain I think 8 years already, which is really nice of course. But we just want to do something else. We saw the independent watchmakers focusing on the finishing as well. I'm already long time very intrigued by hand finishing. I have a small table doing anglage, beveling at home. I really wanted to express it through Frederique Constant and Romain as well. So we went up to the director, Niels, directly. His door is always open, you can just pass by.
This level of trust and transparency empowers Frederique Constant's watchmakers to think big and take risks, which is essential to creating watches that excite and innovate.
Two of my master watchmakers came to me and they said, Niels, we want to do that tourbillon, platinum version. We would like to personally decorate the movement, front and back side. Are you okay? I said, well, cannot go that quick. We go quick, but not that quick. Show me what you like to do. And they came within a few weeks after with examples, and I was stunned.
And from that moment on, we showed the whole movement. Once it was done, he said, okay, yeah, we're gonna do it. So originally the plan, I think, was 15 pieces. But then we thought, no, it's a 35th anniversary, quite a big moment, so we're gonna make 35 of them.
Meteorite dial, but hand-decorated movement. And that was a hole-in-one, I have to say.
Just the finishing alone is already around 200 hours. And then we have to assemble it. And of course, during assembly, in the beginning we used the black polish screws directly, but we saw, yeah, if you have to get something out which isn't good, there is a chance you can scratch the black polish screws. So now we're just using the regular screws. And the moment we're really sure it's working, then we're optimizing it, finalizing it, and then we encase it.
230 hours for one watch.
One watch, and it's just the two of us, so it's a bit more than we thought before. We're really excited and we want to do everything ourselves. Now we see it's a lot of work, so but it's a good work, I like it. It's nice that FC gives us the chance to just come up with an idea and actually do it.
This level of care and attention to detail isn't just limited to their Halo products. Every movement is made in-house, and every watch across their range is hand-assembled, a rare feat in commercial watchmaking.
The hand finishing is really a lot of work actually done by hand, because I think for a lot of brands people think, as well for us, that a lot has been done by machines now, which is actually the case. Everything is still assembled by hand, pre-assembled by hand. And as well for the tourbillons, it's me and my colleagues who are producing them. But I think it's important to show that we actually do it all. We make it ourselves, we regulate it ourselves. People should know that there's a lot of handwork involved, even at this price point.
Ultimately, It's the culture of Frederique Constant that drives their success and continues to push the brand forward and to new heights.
It seems a bit cheesy to say, but the family, everyone knows each other. It's quite a big company, but still small in a way. Everyone is good with each other. So I think we can be really proud of that, actually.